Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raya underscore Daddy. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raya and my YouTube channel is Raya underscore home for four. And today we're gonna be organizing and improving a little bit of my daughter's closet. So this is probably gonna be like a 2 sets of video. We're gonna be doing the changing of the shelving, and then the next one will be just the organizing part of it. So my daughter has a pretty decent size of closet actually. It's actually big, but it's just that the space, it's not very maximized. We tried organizing here, so we have this little shelving and then little boxes there, or small boxes, and I tried doing the shelf dividers, but plus there are a lot of these clothes that are too small for her, and we need to make room for the things that she can wear. And also the hanging, the things that are hang here are probably small for her now. And she also needs a room for hanging like long dresses, because for this one it's hang over here in that corner, but it's not properly, like it's not giving enough space for it. So yeah, we're gonna try to do that, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned.